How to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them on Android. This tutorial shows you how to keep your posts on Instagram while removing them from your public profile. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to hide. At this point, tap on the post to open it. In the next step, tap on the three dots at the top right of the post. From there, let me show you. Tap on Archive to hide the post from your profile without deleting it. At this stage, the post will now disappear from your public profile, but it's still saved and accessible from your archive. Following this, to access your archived posts, tap on the three lines at the top right of your profile and tap on Archive. Once done, all your archived posts will be listed here. Tap on any one of them to view it. From here, if you want to restore an archived post back to your profile, tap on the three dots on the archived post and tap on Show on Profile. It'll reappear on your profile right away. Here's an important note. Archiving a post hides it from everyone, including your followers. Only you can see your archived posts, so it's completely private. Finally, keep in mind that archiving is different from deleting. Archived posts can always be restored, while deleted posts are gone permanently. So always archive instead of delete if you're unsure. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide photos on Instagram without deleting them, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.